We all know that every country has its own time zone. But to avoid confusion, or rather to simplify the times in different countries, it has been standardized. So the time zone in different countries is fixed in comparison or with reference to Greenwich Mean Time. We know about that. So Greenwich is a place through which the 00 line or the meridian line passes through. Greenwich is a place about 11 kilometers from London. Now today I am taking you to Greenwich, where we'll find this meridian line, and in comparison with this, all time zones in the world are fixed or determined or standardized. Come on, we'll go to Greenwich. We are now moving from London to Greenwich. This is Royal Observatory, Greenwich, and we have reached here. Look at it. Royal Observatory, Greenwich. Look at it. This is the prime meridian line which passes through Greenwich. Oh, this is the line. This divides Earth into two hemispheres, east and west. This is the line, very important line, prime meridian line. Look at it. For standardization of time zones in different countries, there was a major conference held at Washington in 1884. Astronauts of 25 countries, they participated in that conference. 45 delegates were there. After discussions, and then they decided that the time zone should be fixed or should be referred, or it should be standardized with reference to the Greenwich Mean Time. That is the meridian line which passes through the Greenwich. Accordingly, the time zone should be fixed. So what is that? It is, scientists, they agreed that the position of sun at 12 o'clock at Greenwich should be taken into consideration, and the line that is called as a meridian line should be turned as 00. And in comparison with that, east and west, these are the two hemispheres of the earth, and accordingly the time will be fixed. So the eastern side will have plus time zone and the western side will have minus time zone. Come on, let us see and let us go into details. Look at this wonderful theory. She is on the half of the portion of the earth, or rather one hemisphere, and I am standing on another hemisphere of the earth. Really wonderful. Friends, we know that earth completes its rotation of 360 degrees in 24 hours. So scientists had drawn imaginary lines from North Pole to South Pole. So the line after every 15 degrees, plus and minus. So 15 degrees, 30 degrees, then 45 degrees, like that. There will be 24 lines. So each line of 15 degree will represent naturally 1 hour, because 360 degree rotation is completed in 24 hours. So 15 degree corresponds to 1 hour. So the countries which fall on the right side of this meridian line will have plus hours, and naturally those who are on the left will have minus hours. Now to simplify it, I will tell you the position of India. India falls on longitude, that is 82.5 degrees. So 82.5 degrees divided by 15 degrees. So India is ahead of 5 hours and 30 minutes, ahead of GMT. Accordingly, the countries which are on the left side will be minus. Okay? Now look at this wonderful phenomenon. My right foot is on the half portion of the earth and my left foot is on the another half portion of the earth. Really amazing. Friends, in 20th century, scientists have developed atomic clocks for better and precise accuracy. And this is called as UTC, Coordinated Universal Time Zone. Friends, how was the information and video? Kindly let me know. I will welcome it. Thanks.